Hello, good morning everyone. This is Isang here and welcome to my channel, The Traveling Soul. Well guys, today is very special because I have come to my hometown, Mahadevpur, and today we are also going for a picnic. Well, it's almost New Year time, and what better way to celebrate the coming year if not for a picnic. So basically for this picnic we plan to go to a place somewhere near to Alubari, which is maybe around 35 to 40 kilometers from my place. Something a little different about this picnic is we are planning to cook everything back at home and then we plan to carry it to the site. So yeah, I mean, a lot of preparation going, everyone's very excited and we have a lot of dishes being cooked. So the menu of the day seems to be very interesting. So I plan to take you around, show you guys what's the menu for the day and what's being cooked. Without further ado, let's go and check it out. So guys, here's the bamboo and you can see we have, it's all empty inside. So I'm going to stuff in this rice which is already pre-soaked. Guys, and this is bora chawal, so I think it's going to be a little sticky in nature. So what we call sticky rice, this is like one of the variant of that. So we stuff this in very well. You do it like this so that you know it's not stuck somewhere and then it's properly inside. This rice is already pre-soaked. It's been soaked overnight so that while cooking there's not much of an issue. I'll leave some space inside so that there's space for water, and then you know, like we basically need to cover it up as well. So I'm going to leave some space. I'll not stuff it completely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in some water. So here's the water and I pour it in. So now that the water is in, I will seal the space so that it can get cooked properly. So guys, here's the leaf. What you do is you just fold the leaf and then you put it here like this so that there's not much space for the air, and this bamboo is sealed now. So it's all ready to be cooked. So we're going to do the same with all the bamboos here. While the rice has been cooked, we have another dish here, and here we are cooking duck. So I think it's almost the process. They have already started cooking, so I'm just going to show you how it looks as of now. So this is... So people here really like having duck. It's known to be very oily and tasty. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to take you to inside the kitchen and let's see what's happening there. Pork is one of the main meat that we have in most of our festivals. So today also we are having pork in a lot of variants. I mean, we are going to cook the same pork into different kind of dishes. So here we have the head being chopped. This is actually a pig head which is being chopped. And guys, by the way, this is inside of the local kitchen. Here in our tradition, it's very important for us to have a kitchen with a fireplace. So basically we always have this, you can see, is the fireplace, and then above the fireplace we always have this space so that you know we can dry meat here. Dried meat is one of the most important part of our dishes. What we do is most of the time, instead of cooking the meat directly, we boil them and then we keep them for drying for some time. Once it's dried, it's got a smoked flavor. So that's actually very famous here in a lot of northeast dishes. So that's what we do in Arunachal as well. We follow the same. I mean, whenever meat is being boiled, we try and smoke it a bit so that it's got a beautiful flavor. And here is the traditional way of making the meat smoked. This is how we keep the boiled meat for some time, just above the fire space, and we always have this in all of the traditional kitchens. So guys, as you can see, we have placed all the bamboos here in the fire, and you can see it's almost cooked actually. You can see all this black charred bamboo surface. So that means it's cooked. It doesn't really take very long time. It takes around 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, the other form of rice that we are making is tupla bhat. So this is what the preparation looks like. We have already prepared the rice. We're going to wrap the rice in some form of a leaf. So this leaf is called kopatta. So the very reason why traditionally we do this is while you're having the rice, you get a certain aroma from the leaf as well. So that makes the rice even more tastier. So here's the rice, and I'll show you the preparation, how it's done. My auntie is going to show you. So you can see how we have prepared all the different bundles of rice here, all the rice. So we are going to do this with the entire amount of rice here. Also guys, our bamboo rice is ready now. So we're going to crack open the bamboo. We have also cleaned the surface a bit. Let me show you how it's done. So I have a friend here who's going to show you. So guys, as you saw how we have peeled open the rice, the bamboo layering. So after peeling the rice, this is what we get. So we have the rice here now, and you can see how nice and tasty it is. So the rice has got a small layer of bamboo's inner white thing. So this is how the rice becomes, and it's very tasty. I mean, let me tell you this. So guys, right now we are leaving for the picnic spot. I'm going to show you how beautiful the scenery is on the way.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause
So guys, finally we have reached this spot. You can see how beautiful this place is. This entire place is plain area, and this entire area is surrounded by this kind of a plantation. I'm not really sure about the name of these trees, but I'm going to mention the name down below so you can check it later. And yeah, I mean, so this entire place is like this, and then you have the water body that side and this side as well. So we have selected a spot that side, so we'll go in few minutes, but for now let's just take a small tour.
you're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not. Cause we're so